Is your computer slow, freezing, or taking forever to open programs? Good news, you don't need a new PC yet. I'll show you 3 simple ways to make it faster that anyone can do. We'll cover upgrading RAM, clearing temporary files, and using a free cleaning tool. Let's start with the most powerful upgrade. First, RAM, your computer's short-term memory. Most PCs run best with at least 8 GB. Quick guide, 4 GB is basic only, 8 GB everyday use, 16 GB for heavy multitasking and gaming. If you have 4 GB, jumping to 8 GB or 16 GB is a huge difference. Before buying, check compatibility, DDR3, DDR4, or DDR5. Your motherboard supports only one. Use Task Manager, a tool like CPU-Z, or search your model to confirm. Don't mix RAM types. Method 2. Remove temporary files that pile up and slow Windows. Press Windows plus R to open the Run window. Type temp, press Enter, select all with Ctrl-A, and delete. Skip files that won't remove. Open Run again and type %temp%. Delete everything there too. Finally, type prefetch. Continue as admin, then delete those files as well. It's safe. Method 3. Use a free cleaning tool if you prefer one click. A cleaner can find junk files, browser cache, and other clutter automatically. Benefits: faster startup, more free disk space, and better overall performance. Quick tips: restart regularly, keep some storage free, uninstall unused apps, and clean temp files every few weeks. That's it. 3 easy ways to speed up your computer. If this helped, like and subscribe for simple tech tips. Thanks for watching.